XB Marketing here with another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a Clickbank account from unsupported countries. Okay, so basically you have two options if you want to create a Clickbank account from unsupported country. The first option is to contact someone who lives in that country and ask them if they can create an account for you and send you the login details. But we all know most of the time they won't want to do it because they don't want to jeopardize with their privacy, all right, and which is understandable. Okay, so the second option that you can use, I'm going to show you in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get the video cracking. Okay, so basically these are the list of the banned countries that Clickbank doesn't work. Okay, so if your country is among this list, then you can create a Clickbank account from this country. All right, so you want to come to clickbank.com, and if you scroll down a bit, you can see Clickbank has paid $5 billion. All right, you can see that they've paid $5 billion out in over 20 years. So a lot of people make thousands of dollars on Clickbank. So which brings me to the point of, you want to make sure you keep up to date on my $3,000 per day journey on Clickbank. I will be updating that journey very soon. So make sure you turn on post notifications so that you get updated when it comes out. All right. So once you come to clickbank.com, it's very simple. Okay, before we start anything, we want to go to the Play Store and you want to download this VPN right here. You can see right here, UK VPN. You want to download this VPN. So I have it installed already. So I'm just going to open the VPN. So once it opens up, you want to click on this, and basically you can use any of these countries, I believe. Okay, most people might want to go for US, but I don't recommend you go for US because they may start asking you for social security number and the like. So really just avoid US. Okay, just go for UK. All right, so if you click on England, so let's wait for the VPN to connect. So the VPN is connected. The next thing you want to do is go back to Clickbank, and then you want to go back to another tab, and then you want to type in, okay, you want to come to this website right here. So I may leave a link in the description to this website. Okay, I can't even pronounce it, but I'll leave a link. Okay, so once you come to this website right here, so I'm just going to refresh it again. So we are going to be copying the phone number right here. So you can see it says phone number. So we want to copy this phone number. So let's copy it, and then we want to go to Clickbank. You want to click on sign up now. So once it opens up, all right, you want to choose your country. So let's say UK. All right, and then you want to give it a name. So I make sure you want to use a name, that is in your PayPal or your Payoneer account. All right, so let's say XP Marketing, and then we want to type in 44. Then you want to paste in that number right there, and then you want to choose your email. Okay, so I'm going to be using this email. So let me use this email, and then you want to type in your password. All right, so once you want to make sure you've checked this criteria. All right, so once you do that, you want to click on continue, and then you want to click on that and accept terms of service, and you want to click on join Clickbank. As you can see right here, it says congratulations, you are eligible for 7 days of affiliate market. Okay, this one you can just choose yes or no, but basically our account is created. So let me click on no, I got this on my own. You want to click on this. So once you click on that, as you can see right here, it will ask you to download this suppression list and accept. Okay, so just download that. And also, as you can see right here, it says hello XBM. So basically this is how easy it is to create a Clickbank account. All right, so you want to click on this complete my profile. So once you do that, you can just make sure, like I said, you want to make sure the name and the last name you are using correspond with your PayPal or your Payoneer account. All right, so basically for this recovery option, you can leave it as it is. So the next thing you want to do now is street address. So want to go back to this website and want to get an address right here. So this is the street address. So let's just copy this. So if we copy this address, so let's paste it right here. So let's go back and paste the zip code. Okay, so if we copy this zip code, so let's paste this zip code right here. So for the province, okay, for the city, is Nordland, and for the state is Kent. Okay, so we are going to paste the city right here. So let's search for it. So basically I can't find it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to this page and I'm just going to refresh it. Okay, let me go back and see if we have Devon right here. Okay, we have Devon right here. So if I click on this Devon, so let me go back and copy the other details. Okay, for the city, you can see it says crediting. So we're just going to paste that right here. So now we have to change the zip code. So we have to use this zip code now. Then I want to paste in this one. So for this it's optional, so we can leave it. So we want to also change the address. All right, so let me change the address. So you want to copy. Really, this doesn't really matter. Okay, your account is created already, so but you want to do this anyway. So once you're done, you can leave the other things as it is. So here, this is where you want to choose your name. You want to type in your name right here. So for me, SB Marketing. So here you can choose what you want to do on Clickbank. Okay, so you want to promote or whatever you intend to do. All right, but most people want to promote on Clickbank instead. All right, so here you can just choose how much you intend to earn on Clickbank. Okay, so you can choose any of this and then you can click on save. All right, so it says your profile has successfully been updated. Once that is updated, it's going to redirect us to another page. Okay, so once that is done, it's going to ask you to create a nickname. Okay, this is where you are going to create your account right now. So let's click on this, create my account nickname. So you want to click on create nickname and you want to choose the account type. So you want to choose an affiliate account. All right, so you want to click on that and then you want to choose a nickname. So let's say XP. Okay, it has to be up to 5. So let's say XP001. Okay, you can see that's available. So I don't want to click on sign up. All right, so that is it. I have created my account. Okay, so now basically what I need to do is, as you can see my nickname right here, so I'm just going to click on my nickname. So now it's going to take me to Clickbank homepage. All right, as you can see right here, we have our Clickbank account. You can see my earnings here. Of course, it's 0 right here, nothing. Okay, so the next thing now is to verify my email. So basically what I want to do is you want to click on this send a confirmation email. So once you click on that, they will send an email to you to verify this account. All right, so they've sent an email now, so I'm waiting for the email. All right, as you can see, this is the email right here. Okay, so let me click on this. You can see this is the verification email right here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this. So let me just click on this. All right, now you can see the email has been verified. The account has been verified. Okay, so everything now works well. All right, as you can see, it says thank you, your email address has been successfully verified. So basically this is how you create a Clickbank account in any country that is not supported. So if you click on the marketplace, you can see right here, now you have access to promote any product on Clickbank. So if I click on this right here, you can see it's going to bring me products that I can promote on Clickbank. All right, so basically that's how you create a Clickbank account. And if you want to log in on your PC, make sure you are using a UK VPN to connect to your account. Okay, but I don't really think it matters, but just do it to be on the safe side. All right, so basically that is how easy it is to create a Clickbank account. So if you find any value in this video, please leave a like on this video, drop a comment below if you have any question, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.